Today, we're excited to introduce the ECR4Kids Stackable Kiddie Cot, a must-have for any childcare center or home looking to provide a comfortable nap time for toddlers. These classroom cots elevate children 5 inches off the floor, ensuring they stay cool, clean, and stable during rest time. Built to last, each cot features powder-coated steel poles, durable plastic corners, and heavy-duty, stretch-resistant breathable fabric, making them perfect for daily use in early childhood facilities. Not only are they practical, but they also save space by nesting and stacking up to 20 cots high, making them easily accessible for teachers. Safety is a top priority with these cots, as they are GreenGuard Gold certified for low VOX and CPSIA compliant, featuring rounded edges and tightly fitting mesh to protect little fingers and toes. Measuring 40 inches long, 23 inches wide, and 5 inches high, these toddler-sized cots require adult supervision to ensure a safe and restful nap time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.